In this video, we will see what are the various themes and background colors are available in PowerApps. So PowerApps themes are a feature inside the Microsoft Power Apps that allows you to quickly design your application by using various type of themes and background colors, and it will reflect throughout your application. These themes include color schemes, any type of font styles, and other visual components that determines the overall look and feel of your application. So normally PowerApps provides a range of built-in themes, that is predefined themes, and it also offers a quick way to apply professional looks. So whenever you are building an application, that PowerApps themes colors also matters to the user, so that they will attract towards your application and they can use it. So you can see there are two type of categories inside the PowerApps themes. One is standard and one is office. In standard category, there are 13 types of different themes are present, whereas the office category, it contains 8 type of different themes. So by using all these standard and office themes and by using various background color, you can make your application is very much attractive. So let me show you how you can use these PowerApps themes and background colors in your application. So this is one of my PowerApps application that I will show you how you can use themes and background colors inside this application. You can see this is my application contains that normal theme white and blue color. Now I want to change the themes and as well as the background color of this application. So first we will see how we can use themes. So for using themes, you can go to the themes, expand it, and you can see this is the standard colors themes and these are the office themes. So according to your application or according to your need, you can select your application color and you can use it. Suppose I will choose here aqua. So once I will choose aqua color or aqua theme, you can see throughout the application it changes with the same color. You can see there are 3 type of screen here in the left side preview section. If I will go to the detail screen, the theme reflects across the application or throughout the application it appears with the same theme color. If I will go to the edit screen also, you can see the same aqua theme colors appear, and this design also looks very good. Suppose you want to change another theme, one official theme, so again just expand it and you can choose any type of theme color. Suppose I will choose green color, then the application will reflect with the same color in the between. So here you can see the difference between the standard theme and office theme. So according to your choices, the color will reflect or the themes will reflect throughout the application as I am showing you like this. So this is the this is how you can change the theme in PowerApps application. Now next I will show you how you can change the background color of that particular application. So here I will tell you there is a background color option in the top command bar. Once you will expand it, you can see that these are also 2 types. One is standard background color and one is custom background color. Standard background color has theme color and one is standard color. So according to your need, you can choose any type of color from here, and according to that your application or your application background color will change. And if you will want to use any custom color, then go to the custom option, and according to your need the background color will change. You can see I am showing you whenever I am changing whenever I am selecting a color from the handlebar, you can see here according to that my application is changing according to me. Okay, suppose I will change the background color of by using standard color. So you can see if I will change my background color here by using this color, so you can see this is the color that I want to show a particular element or particular content. So in this way we can change our background color of a particular application. Suppose in the screen 2 I want to change some another color. So what I want to do, just expand the background color and you can choose any type of color, and you can see here the application is changing the background color of a particular screen. Here, what is the difference between theme and background color? Theme will reflect throughout the application as per your need, but the background color, it will reflect only the particular screen. It won't affect any type of screen rather than the current screen. So this is the only difference between theme and background color. So in this way, we can change our PowerApps application themes and background color according to your need. In the next video, we will see about the PowerApps on-state property.